Professor Ajit Malalasekara, consultant urological surgeon, and I would like to discuss with you regarding urodynamics. Urodynamics is a specialized test which looks to investigate patients with, for example, urinary leakage, also called urinary incontinence, or patients who have increased frequency of passing urine, or urgency, that is where when a person wants to pass urine, they have no control, they have to run to the toilet, or in patients who have some difficulty in emptying their bladder. Also, it is useful in patients who have nerves supplying the bladder being affected, for example in spinal cord injuries or multiple sclerosis. Another group of patients who can benefit from this specialized testing are the patients with multiple bladder surgeries. Urodynamics can be useful in several ways. Firstly, we can measure the pressures within the bladder during the filling of the bladder and also when a patient is passing urine. Also, we can have a look at the volume of urine, the capacity of the bladder before they pass urine, that is when the bladder is completely filled, and also when and after they pass urine or they empty their bladders. Also, we can have a look at the flow rate of urine while they are passing urine and also match this or correlate this with the pressures inside the bladder. A special type of testing is the very advanced video urodynamics, where we put in a particular dye into the bladder and we combine this testing with X-ray imaging also. When we do this, we can get much more information regarding the bladder, the storage, and also the problems of emptying in these patients. Urodynamics is available at the Urology Care Center at Lanka Hospitals. This procedure is done as part of our one-stop holistic care concept at the Urology Care Center. So patients will come for this procedure, be informed about the procedure itself, the complications, the very minimal complications that might occur, how it is done, etc., etc., and they will undergo the procedure and they will leave home on the same day itself. Urodynamics involves putting two tubes into the bladder as well as into the back passage. These are used to firstly fill the bladder up with saline and also at the same time to measure the bladder pressure as well as the pressure inside the bowel system, which is indication of the abdominal pressures. These are done under an intravenous antibiotic dose as well as with local anesthesia cover. Once the patient finishes this procedure, they can be discharged home on the same day without any issues.
Lanka Hospitals. Caring, curing.